Okay, in triangle ABC, we have the angle C is 90. So this is 90, and this is 60, and this is B. The bisector of angle B, so which means it cuts it in 30 at D, determine the ratio of AD, right, to DC. Okay, so we know this is 30 because this is a right angle triangle. If this is 60, this is 30. But this is also bisected, so it's also 30, making that and that, right, equal. It's an isosceles triangle. Okay, also by exterior angles, the sum of this and this angle is that, making this 60. Or I could also say, well, this is 30, so this is 60. Okay. So recall that, a special triangle, if this is 1 and this is 2, this is root 3 in a 60-30 triangle, right? So we're looking for the ratio of AD to DC. For example, let's just call this one here 2x, okay, 2x. Then this is 4x, right? It's double. But this is also this, or similar to this triangle here. If this is 2x, let me just call this one here y. We know that 2x over y has the same ratio as root 3 over 1. So y over 2x is equal to 1 over root 3, meaning y is 2x over root 3. Okay. And also this full length here, AC, so AC over 2x is also root 3 over 1. So AC is 2x root 3. Okay, with that, we can now get the ratio here. AD, okay, AD to DC, right? AD is AC, right? AC minus DC. And DC, well, is this, right? So 2 over 3x. AC was right here, 2 root 3x. And DC, we just subtract this. You can factor out x from there. Okay, 2 over 3, so 2 over 3x. So x is not important. We can reduce it. Let's combine this into root 3 common base. It times up by root 3, so it's 6 minus 2. Okay, you can multiply both ratio by root 3 to get 4, right, to 2. So 2 to 1.